it will solve the, the traffic problems, congestion, in traffic. This, new technology is very important. So, I like to, for example, people in India have, manpower. So I'm looking, so people in India, to concentrate in this new technology. It will, this technology, increase GDP from now till year 2020 for about $15 trillion. So I hope that, people in India, got, a big share, like China, like, like USA. So that's why, when I was in India, my friend, Dr. Kola, invite me as a guest honored, in India. I have a message for people in India. I would like, to concentrate in this new technology because, I think, people in India as IT, is number one in the world. But if like they are not going to go to this field, the cloud of things. So I hope that people in India concentrate in this point. It will be good not only for India but for all the world. Also, I wish for my country, Egypt suffer from a lot of challenge, because of revolution, something like that. I hope that to go in this technology, it will like help all the problems that we have in Egypt in traffic and on economy and on healthcare. So that's why I tried to do efforts for research in this field. So I hope that I did something so good, and I hope that I give a message to the people I know, to the country, or something like that. So I would like to thank again all the ASDF association and all the people here in this ceremony award. So thank you so much for everything. Thank you.
Thank you, Azam. The surprise is still waiting for you. Thank you. Next, I would like to welcome Dr. Deepali Savai, who was the recipient of Best Professor of the year 2014, to deliver a short speech, please.
All the delegates, first of all, I would like to thank ASDF officials and especially Dr. KK, because I keep on talking to him like for last 1 year maybe. I used to keep on calling him anytime, but always he had a patience and he answered all my queries. So first of all, on behalf of all the recipients of the awards, various awards, I would like to thank ASDF for motivating all of us by presenting so nicely designed trophy. Since this is an award of Best Professor, I would like to thank my family members, my father, Jambekar, mother, my husband, who is here but could not come in, he is Sunil Savai, my sister Ashwini, and of course all my staff of my college, and especially my students. Because of their love I am here. I wish all of you all the best, and I feel that there cannot be a very nice ending of this last year of 2014. I wish all of you all the best ahead 2015. Happy New Year.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your message. And I just wanted to request all the other participants to ignore the boilerplate. KK. I request you not to please mention my name again. Thank you. Okay. Next, I would like to welcome Dr. J. Subramani, who was the recipient of Best Academic Researcher of the Year 2014 award, to deliver a short speech, please.
Okay, I take this opportunity to thank the organizers for having conferred the Best Academic Research Award. So I have received several awards, but I never satisfied. Every time I try some awards. Last year alone I got 4 awards. But the one thing I want to recall is 2-3 minutes.
Please, sir, please,
Yeah.
please take it.
In 1991, I received the International Statistical Institute's Young Statistician Award. It was given in the country Egypt. By the time His Excellency President Mubarak was the president. Yes, actually he was unable to attend the meeting, but he sent the Prime Minister to deliver the lectures and they appreciated. And I have been a guest for him for about 20 days. See, when by the time you know that I am a very poor guy from India, went with the pant shirt with the one cholna pai, some bag. They sent a big car, which is about 26 feet, that is normally used sent to receive a president from other countries. They sent because the best award winner, they used to give for 3%, the first award winner myself. So they thought I am a big scientist. So they sent a car. That is the car only allowed to go via the Rajpath. So that honor given. Then His Excellency sponsored a dinner. The number of participants for the conference 1,300, but the people who served us 2,600. All from Chinese, they carved with a lot of dishes, just for 6-7 lanes, each one gone about half kilometers. So I tasted with a spoon every small, at least 500 items. But well, after tasting this, I have not eaten anything. I only tasted. But I took a taxi to move to my room. That was happening. Then sometimes I heard that he was caught in some controversy. I was worried. Such a great personality has given so much things. Let Allah help him to come up. Now he is released from all his troubles. So I was happy there. Then like this I got several awards. Then I started my research, the area in statistics, particularly whichever is difficult, other felt, so that I can work more. My daughter, by the time of 6-7 years old, she is always criticizing. See, somebody is missing that you are doing that, you got good name. Luckily, I got around 120 papers. In India, it is very few people who crossed 100 papers, about less than 10 in numbers. But in South India, I am the number, only 1% crossed. So I thank typically followed all the procedures and selected. So I value this award more than anything. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Next, I would like to welcome Kankeyanathan Kannan, who was a recipient of Best Scientific Researcher of the Year 2014 award. And to say especially about this award, after a couple of years, it was released this year. Because for the past 2 years, we didn't have the right recipient. Please, sir.
Hello, good evening everybody. I am very happy to receive the Best Scientific Research Award for the 2014. I am very happy to, first of all, my thank for my parents. My professor is a faculty of business studies, Professor Belnambi. His first time is talking this award. I had applied this award. I have received this award. I am very happy. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Next, I would like to welcome Dr. Karthik Subrathinam, who was a recipient of Best Academic Researcher Award, to deliver a short speech, please. A loud applause, please.
Very good evening to all. It is my pleasure to having associated with ASDF for a couple of years. And also each and everyone we might know about that we are as a faculty members, researchers and also scientists and industrialists. The motivation and is very important aspects to the each and everyone life and that. So the awards and the is one of the motivation steps to ignite the talents from the various levels, and also you should have to know about your caliber because so many other people have to achieve a lot of them. As like our professor told, he is publishing more than a couple of 100 papers as researcher and all. So once we have to, it is an opportunity together
to meet and share the information about various forums and different aspects of our research groups. So ASDF is such a wonderful organization to give such a podium to share our points and views together. And I wish all the recipients of the awardees to keep on going for the further steps and motivating your fellow members to become a better researcher and forums in the forthcoming years. All the very best for the 2015 Best of luck.
Thank you, sir. Next, I would like to welcome Ms. Madhulika, the recipient of Best Academic Researcher Award. Please, ma'am.
Good evening, all of you. I feel extremely privileged after receiving this award. I would like to thank the ASDF team and all the dignitaries who are present over here, and all the participants and delegates who have flown all the way from your country to make this event happening. And after listening to the speech of all the delegates, dignitaries over here, I must admit that I am very novice in the field of research, and receiving this award at this early stage of my research is really, really very motivating. And I would really like to thank Hari sir for all his support and patience which he has shown for all the 6 months. I would like to thank the director of my institute, my research guide, Dr. G.T. Thampi sir, the CDAC team who have always supported me, all my dear students who have given positive feedback to Hari sir when he has come for scrutinizing my certificates and all. And I really would like to appreciate the efforts which ADFS team is making for delivering this genuine award. So it's an amazing feeling. Last but not the least, I would like to thank God and my parents who have helped me to come this far. And as our chief guest sir told today, this is not the end, this is just the beginning. I'll definitely keep this in mind. So thank you so much. A very happy new year to all of you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. I need to appreciate your smartness. Since I said that you should not address me KK, you called up me as Hari. Thank you. Next, I would like to welcome Mr. B. Mahendra Singh, the recipient of Best Young Entrepreneur Award. Please, sir.
Good evening all. Today is a pleasurable day for me having this award, Young Entrepreneur Award. I'm just crossing 34 and this is the 10th year after my MBA from Maharshi University. And before starting from India, I called Manikandanji and I want to meet someone at Bangkok who will expand to my business into the world. So he told that from National Research Centers, some director is going to come, and I check on website who is that guy. Very experienced guy, like what you said. And LinkedIn, it's a profile of 2-3 pages what he is doing. And astonishing is his card is of 4 pages. Before I starting this business, Gentox Bioservices, I met one guy from Malaysia. He is an investor for airports. His cards are completely filled with all his businesses. I was very much motivated, and I was a student. I used to show the different biotechnology companies at Hyderabad to him. After that, they invested somewhere else. They are into good business. And today I am thankful to ASDF for giving this opportunity to speak on this dais. And I'm sure I'm thankful to my parents who are like gods to me, and my gurus, Gezarwani. My parents are my gurus in spiritual line. I bow that people, and my friends and colleagues who support me a lot, and my family members who are scientists like you people. One is into biotechnology division and other into vaccine. And everyone, my brother is the dean to KLU University. He supported me from the starting how to support a scientific development field by having ethics, and how to support students who are doing research. And we are supporting a lot of students who are doing research with animals, lab animals at Andhra University or outside Andhra, all over India. And we are supplying quality laboratory animals to all over India, all pharma companies from Reliance Life Sciences to all manufacturing companies everywhere. And we are supporting the human being and humankind by giving the quality animals and supporting the research at India. And after a long time, 5 years in this field, we face some trouble in India for crisis of power. I am also victim for that, and my company also. So I thought that best to go for renewable energy, and I choose solar, which is the best, and Andhra is the best place of having solar power, natural resources. And after that, I got some opportunity from investors who are interested in this field. We started as a trading. We used to import material from China or Taiwan or Germany and Korea, and slowly very speedily we came into this field of manufacturing of solar panels by importing cells. Now we are looking for the opportunity all over the world to supply solar panels and related renewable energy products, even though biogas, whatever it may be. So we are very happy to meet people like Kalyan Mitra ji and scientists from Auckland University. We had a lot of discussion yesterday, and I think it is going to be something fruitful in coming future, mostly in 2015. I hope so. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
Thank you, Mr. Mahendra Singh. Next, I would like to welcome Mr. Nirant Amoga from Huawei Technologies to deliver a short speech, please.
Hello, good evening, everybody. Namaste to everybody here on the dais and the dignitaries. One thing that comes to my mind when I think of ASDF is a word called as inclusive. When I mean inclusive, it means it is collaboration. So ASDF stands very well for this particular word, which says there's a collaboration of scientists, developers and faculties. So what can scientists, developers and faculties together do is innovation. So invention can be an exclusive word, so that could come from very specific individuals. But when all these three, let me call this, all these three domain of expertise come together, that's where we deliver innovation, and that's where we make maximum impact to the mankind in terms of society and in terms of technological impact. So I congratulate ASDF for bringing this to a large global scale and living up to its living up to it. And when I look into this inclusive nature, I would like to thank my company, Huawei Technologies, for providing me this platform to conduct this kind of an inclusive research, where I was able to connect with researchers all around the world, faculties all around the world, and also scientists, not only in research organizations within locally, but also globally, and take up some leadership positions. So I thank my company, all my team, my managers and my presidents of the company for helping me do that. And I would like to thank God for, two things. As researchers, we are very, very nitty-gritty. We have to be dealt with. So I thank God for helping me deal with research, helping me do the best in my research, and I also thank God for helping my parents, my family, and everybody to deal with me, so that I am able to do well for the entire family and also for the entire world in a small way. Thank you, ASDF, for giving this opportunity.
Thank you, sir. Okay, before proceeding with the other stuffs. Oh, you're missing? Yes. Okay, next we will go ahead for, I would like to welcome Mr. Rajendran Kajanathan, the recipient of Best ASDF Student, to give a short speech, please.
Good evening. I'm very delighted to receive this award. I would like to thank to my parents and professor who guide me to receive this award. This is my dream, because my professor said this process will go to 5 phases. If I got one result of phase 1, I have fear about what is the result of next phase. such like that, they will send me the mail. So till the moment it was my dream. That dream came to true. I'm very delighted, and I would like to dedicate this award for my parents and the professor who guided me up to this position and getting this award. Thank you.
Thank you. And for your information, now only we started revealing the results into the public website, like eligible or selected or something like that. Previously, for the first 3 editions, for the first 2 editions, we used to maintain the complete confidentiality, which means each and every person are requested. That means the finalists. Once when they are crossing the phase 4, they are requested to be onto the onto the program avenue to know whether they have been selected or not. And again, with the advice of the president and with the advice of the ASDF Global Awards, Dr. Arun Murugan's advice, from next year onwards, again the confidentiality will be maintained, and it will be like a gala again. Thank you. Next, there is a small surprise and then short message from the youngest member of ASDF. Of course, youngest member of ASDF. Generally for the ASDF we used to have the members starting from 16 years, 17 years generally, once when they are student. And for a special case, this was spoken across the office. They said, sir, one name has come down from Egypt. They said, what is the name? They said that it's, Yusuf or Alia, it was Alia. And they said it's only 7 years old. And we were all shocked on seeing this name. And now we have that member here. Yeah, please, Alia Asim and Yusuf Asim, please, on the dais, please.
Go, both of you.
Both of you. I have a short message for them.
They give it.
Yeah. I'll read it on their behalf to you, please. Please, sir. Just send out there. Sir. The GC members, please. See, this is a handwritten message by Alia for your information. This was coming down from Asam's table. Okay, this message is from Alia Asam. I love ASDF so much, and Kokla very much. Again a smart member. I said no KK, no hurry, now Kokla. And I love all the peoples and I love Thailand. Alia, thank you. Thank you for joining with the refresher, sir, please. Next, I would like to welcome Shriram Krish Vasudevan of Amrita University, the recipient of Best Academic Researcher Award, to deliver a short speech, please.
Good evening, everybody. Good evening, respective people who have come here all the way. It gives me great honor and I am humbled by the award that I am given with today. I should first of all thank my teachers. I have received a lot of awards and this makes a lot of sense to thank them here. Without them, I am not what I am today. My teacher made me a teacher, and I thank all my teachers who have brought me all this way till this award, and I hope I will travel further with a better rhythm because of this award. And I thank my students who are behind me for everything, whatever I do, whatever research I carry on. I thank all the professors who work with me in the university, and I congratulate all the people who have received the award and wish you all a very happy and prosperous 2015. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. I said thank you for giving a speech. And thank you for finishing it shortly. Okay, next I would like to welcome Dr. Subramanian Ganesam from Oakland University to deliver a short speech, please.
Good evening. Good evening. I understand this is the last speech, so you can at least smile, keep smiling. Don't hurt. I know all of you are hungry and want to go for dinner. Okay, I'm really honored and humbled by to receive this award. I have received many awards in the last 30 years as a faculty member. Researcher, best teacher, best paper, best distinguished speaker. and so on, and then fellow from many societies, and the Lifetime Achievement Award, and so on. But this particular award is special to me. It has inspired me to keep on working as a professor and not retire at all. So, I'm reaching an age where everybody retires normally, but then as a senior most member in this room, I am a little bit older than you. I feel this award has really encouraged me to continue. And I'm sure ASDF will have much more trust in North America and South America, and then it will be a very valuable and important society. With this, I finish my talk. Thank you very much. I also dedicate this award to all the 6 billion people in this world. Thank you.
Okay, next, an important segment, the issuance of certificate of contesting. Shall we go ahead? This, until, as I said earlier, until Dr. Gunasekaran sir and Dr. Anbuli sir are jointly declaring this event is over, it is not over. We have series of agendas for the day. Okay, so now I just request all the participants, as per the list which I have, the unsorted list. I have an unsorted list. I will keep on calling, and I just request you to come down to the ASDF back checkbox signage so that we can take a photograph there, please. First, I would like to welcome Mr. B. Mahendra Singh to receive his certificate, please. Next, I would like to welcome Mr. Kankayanathan Kannan to receive his certificate. Followed by him, Dr. Deepali Savai to receive her certificate. Next, I would like to welcome Mr. Nirant Amog. Next, I would like to welcome Mr. Asa Mosa. Next, I would like to welcome Mr. Rajendran Kachanathan. Next, I would like to welcome Dr. Karthik Subbarathinam. Next, I would like to welcome Ms. Madhulika. Next, I would like to welcome Dr. J. Subramani. Next, I would like to welcome Dr. Tirunavukarasu Velnambi. Followed by him, Sriram Krish Vasudevan. Next, I would like to welcome Dr. A.S.M. Chakravarti. Next, I would like to again welcome Tirunavukarasu Velnambi.
Two words. Yes.
Next, I would like to welcome Dr. Subramanian Ganesan, sir. Next, I would like to welcome Mr. A. Balachandran, sir. Next, for the special guest, Dr. S. Gunashekaran, sir, please. Next, for Dr. Anbuli, sir. That's for you. This is for me and okay, for you are a certifying person. Okay. You are a lawmaker. Three picture. Certified. You are certifying. Next, for our key instrumental guy, Mr. K. Muthu Prakash, please. I think camera is not working. What are the? Is it intentional working or not? It's not intentional, yeah? Okay. Yes, we'll go back. Okay. The final phase of the agenda. Just one more step. Okay. The last but before step of this awards agenda. So we were previously discussing and I was deliberating about the divisions of ASDF. Now, as per the advice and concern from our president, ASDF International President, we have the declaration. I request, can you just go over, please? Sir, please. The declaration for
yeah. One important news. Today, Dr. R.D. Kalyan Mitra is going to join as a member in our ASDF on behalf of Thailand government. That is a very important thing. So really we are so happy, and we are is a member in our company, in our ASDF forum, which is an international forum. Really, such a people we needed hereafter. As our Hari we said, this is 101st time. So every year, when we come over here, and our Dr. R.D. Kalyan Mitra will take care of us, and he is on behalf of Thailand government is going to be here, one of us. Thank you very much. Thank you, Mr. One more good news. Dr. Subramanian Ganesan is going to join in our ASDF as a member, and he is the president for our ASDF in US. That is another very good news, and we are going to be, whenever we are there and we are having any award functions in US, and our Subramanian Ganesan, Dr. Subramanian Ganesan will take care of our forum also. Thank you very much, sir. Now, this is the closing ceremony.
I invite all of you to come to your show.
Yes. Thank you. Now it is a closing ceremony. Now we jointly declare that the ASDF Global Awards ceremony V4 is closed officially. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Sir, Subramanian Ganesan, sir, please, sir, for a photograph. And before dispersing, we have individual photographs there left behind for you. with the checkmate as backdrop as ASDF. Just give a couple of minutes because the new official office bearers, the presidents, you want to have a photograph there, please. And again, a surprise announcement. And I wanted to personally give it out, because I don't want. I'm a little bit envy on this, sir, because I want to give this announcement. Because I just wanted to welcome our new Africa president also here at this juncture, Mr. Asam Mosa, please. I request the new office bearers to join for the photograph there in the checkmate, please.
Welcome. See, I'm SME member. So I have manufactured Toyota. Community Toyota. Where's the kid? Where's the kid, sir? What is it, last one?
Thank you. Actually, because of your help,
Okay, again now the individual announcements are about to get processed. I request the readable names to come down to the ASDF checkmate board for a photograph, please. First, I would like to welcome our Dr. Subramanian Ganesan sir to just stand for a photograph there along with the memento. With the mementos, please, for your information. Individual photographs with the mementos, with the backdrop as ASDF. Next, I would like to welcome Tirunavukarasu Velnambi sir to just join for the photograph near to the ASDF checkboard.
Unfortunately,
Velnambi sir, please, on the near to the checkerboard, near to the checkerboard.
New Zealand.
Next, I would like to welcome Mr. Sriram Krish Vasudevan to be there onto the near to the checkerboard.
In New Zealand. So we will plan to visit. Maybe you have any.
Next, I would like to welcome Mr. Rajendran Kajanathan near to the checkerboard, please. Next, I would like to welcome Mr. Nirant to be near to the checkerboard, please.
Cross holiday.
Next, I would like to welcome Mr. Mahendra Singh to be ready on near to the checkerboard.
Yeah. Next.
Next, I would like to welcome Ms. Madhulika Bangre. Please. Next, I would like to welcome Dr. Karthik Subratnam sir to be ready for this. Next, I would like to welcome Kankayanathan Kannan to be ready for the next photograph near to the checkerboard.
University, Curtin, CURTIA, from Australia. They have the branch in Sri Lanka. They want to show us. We want to more like the system in Sri Lanka.
We will let you know and we will
Next, I would like to welcome Dr. J. Subramani sir to be ready for near to the checkerboard. Next, I would like to welcome Dr. Deepani Savai to be ready for the checkerboard.
Oh, yes.
Next, I would like to welcome Asam Mosa to be ready near to the checkerboard.
Finish.
Yeah.
Next, I would like to welcome Mr. A. Balachandran sir to be ready near to the checkerboard.
It's my specialist.
So you have What's it?
IBM is now covered the whole.
You can do it on Bluetooth. You have to on the Bluetooth.
Next, I would like to welcome Dr. S. Gunashekaran sir to be near to the checkerboard.
I just mentioned to him that the important part is the curriculum on ICT must be changed because cloud take.
Next, I would like to welcome Dr. Anboli sir to be near to the checkerboard.
The whole class have to be obsolete. It's no longer database management class. No longer network class. Big data.
IWC is giving lending also. Good services.
on that side for medical.
We also adopt one very important chairman of the stand-up committee on ICT, on the Federal Levels of Engineering. We are now adopting cloud.
Next, I would like to welcome our chief guest of the day, Audi Kalyan Mitra sir, to join near to the checkerboard, please. To the checkerboard, please.
I have to get the product also. Thank you. Thank you so much.
And finally, it's me. Thank you for all of you for joining with me for this ASDF Global Awards 2014 version 4.0. Hope to meet you back in ASDF Global Awards 2015, which is scheduled to happen at Bangalore, India. Thank you. photographs of this ASDF Global Awards. It will be uploaded into the Facebook page, facebook.com/asdf.int.
Thank you.
Anyone don't have.
Yeah, of course, it's a good resolution. It's a pretty high quality, don't worry. Wish you all a happy new year 2015.
Thank you.
Wish you a great year. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very
Everyone
much.
has my card. Oh, you don't have my card.
Thank you so much. Nice to meet you. Sir, thank you so much. Nice. I tried to make it so simple because what happens is many of them, when they get into the architecture of aircraft, they will not introduce. They will get to the natural language. Like sir did a small inception, description, and security, out and security. Nice meeting. I know.
You'll meet again.
Sure. See you again soon. Sweet boy. Bye. One week.
Thailand.
Oh. See you. Sir, see you, sir.
It's more than now in Thailand, that's why Japanese headquarter of electronic That's why I do it for easy loading I woke up with the OBD. Yes, we usually are used to and the sickness going to my issues. The 3 signals, RPM and kilometers per hour and the one. You're broken that tree of X, Y, axis. That So I will continue to have a conversation since you are the guru on the automobile, electronic. Please do. I will need to learn. You inspire me. I cannot stop myself. I need that. Stop it.
Second, third, fourth.
Listen. Still waiting for home manufacturing engineer and export. They got young manufacturing engineer of the year, in SMA. Yeah, only young, not the old man. Yeah, I belong to that. I belong to SMA.
Because
see, I work for the company. Yes, he will have. I told him that we need to change the the new standard change. We even changed the name of our ministry. It used to be Ministry of ICT. No, we changed the name last month. Ministry of Digital Economy and we did by law.
Actually, I was scheduled to come to
ICT. We don't need database management. We don't need network anymore. That means everything is.
I was scheduled to come to your I'm making a profile. I thought, okay, not as a CSA guy. If you are a CSA guy, carefully, as a friend, I can come. Anyway, nice. Happy journey. Happy days.
Everything in my
we can plan one publishing one.
We also obtain concession. We completely built 30 megawatt solar. And we will get another 90 megawatt. We are acquired the concession. We have it from China equipment, but another 90 megawatt is 3 times more. We need to change. Why? Because the technology on the solar is changing every year. That means cheaper and better efficient. I just told him 2 days ago, the whole world shook up when New Zealand announced that they are the ones who invented the first most efficient solar panel in the world. 40% efficient. Complete surprise. And we, why? Because we are not the solar expert. So that what we need is you find See, we just have it. Last month, the government declared they will announce another 1,800 megawatt because the what about the adder or the subsidized money is high. Yes, this is young. We make money from the ASD. Good opportunity. It doesn't matter to be electronic. I'm not either. You see, the first 2 years I'm in pre-medical school. And the second, after that, 2 years in industrial engineer and become manufacturing engineer. And after that, environmental engineer from University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill. And last one, the PhD in operations research. I also have seen your website. I already sneak in your website because of the on the bio research. See, I also own the complex homeopathy medicine. Complex homeopathy is India, but they too slow. I mean, one remedy at a time.
I gave you the surprise.
13 remedy at one time. IV, yes, at time. And yes, 13 remedy for cancer.
And when they come to 900, they
Yes, I can
But actually now the government has planned to do that. 8 plus 4.